friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Pinki from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eye, and on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Leaving a small gap coming over on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height. We're just going to replicate that. Now for the top of the eye, we're going to curve this line around and then over on the side. And then continuing the eyelash out from that corner, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the pupil of the eye now, coming underneath, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle, connecting that from the left, bringing this all the way over and then back up on the right. Moving underneath now in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line across for the mouth. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with an arch line from left to right. Let's move up and draw in the bow in the center now. So coming directly up in the middle, we're going to draw in a small circle. On both sides, we're going to curve this line out and then back in on the side. And then again from that corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve two lines that come out. Now let's close off our head. So on the left-hand side for the circle, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in towards the bottom. And then we're going to move over on the right-hand side and replicate that, curving this line around and then back in on the bottom again. Let's draw on our ears now. So on the right hand side behind our bow, we're just going to curve this line around and then out. And then we'll do the same thing as we move up and over on the left. Now as we come up on the side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that down on the side. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on our right ear, curving this line around and then down. For the body now on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the left. And then we'll do the same thing, bringing that over and then down on the right. And now on the bottom, we're just going to draw in a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Sprunki from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.